If you are lactose intolerant and under the weather, or the season makes you crave for something warm and comforting, then this is for you. In this Ghar Ke Nuskhe series, I will be sharing some homemade remedies which you can try if you also hate medicines like I do. Now, surka is generally besan doodh. People add in milk instead of water, but I like my surka this way. I add in some dry fruits, cinnamon powder, black pepper powder, and some water to the basin, and my surka is ready. But one tip here is after having this miracle drink, you need to take the blanket, switch off the lights, and take a good nap. तभी ये असर करेगा. The full recipe has been mentioned in the caption. Enjoy!